Hi there! Today, we're exploring black holes, their tremendous gravitational pull and propensity to trap everything, including light, intrigues these mysterious cosmic creatures. What if I told you a crazy idea that black holes might lead to other universes? Stay tuned as we explain this mind-bending idea. What are black holes? Start with explaining black holes. Imagine cosmic vacuum cleaners that eat everything in their path. Formation. When massive stars die, they become black holes. Gravity takes control when this star runs out of nuclear fuel. A supernova occurs when the star's core collapses beneath its massive weight. The body will shatter apart and become a black hole if its mass exceeds 3 times the sun's. Gravity creates the event horizon, where even light cannot escape. Event horizon, the invisible line, is the point of no return. It draws everything through it towards the black hole's singularity, where all the star's mass is concentrated. As items grow closer, gravity bends and warps them in spaghettification. That's scientific terminology. Visuals. Imagine a space whirlpool where everything falls into the abyss. Imagine a vast, black emptiness with a bright matter accretion disk swirling in. This heated accretion disk generates X-rays, making it visible to telescopes. Thus, black holes' destructive beauty is alluring. Theorists say they may be gateways to other worlds, which is even more impressive. Hold on to your cosmic hats. We'll explore this mind-bending hypothesis next. Theoretical physics and black holes. Now let's delve into the mind-boggling theories proposing that black holes might be doorways to other universes. These ideas come from the intriguing world of theoretical physics. String theory. String theory, which proposes that everything in the cosmos is made of microscopic, vibrating strings, is a leading candidate. Black holes may be gates to other universes because they disrupt space-time so much that they form wormholes, shortcuts across the cosmic landscape. String theory is currently hypothetical and unsupported by evidence. Multiverse hypothesis. The multiverse hypothesis proposes that our world is one among many. Black holes' singularities may link universes in this scenario. Scientists still argue and cannot establish the multiverse. Though fascinating, these ideas are not scientific truths. Black holes are still intriguing and mysterious. The concept that they're gates to other worlds is intriguing, but it's theoretical physics and conjecture. We investigate these intriguing options to comprehend the universe. Watch for more cosmic insights. What would it be like to travel through a black hole? Traveling through a black hole. Imagine approaching a black hole and witnessing the cosmos warp. Colors blur, stars shoot, and time wobbles. As you cross the event horizon, the world becomes a kaleidoscope of odd, changing patterns. Beyond the singularity, a new universe with distinct mechanics may exist. Challenges and dangers. However, the journey is not without peril. The intense gravitational forces would stretch you into a string of atoms. This spaghettification is not for the faint-hearted. Plus, the cosmic mysteries of what lies on the other side and whether you can survive the transition remain uncertain. Finally, black holes as gates to other worlds are seductive but science fantasy. Leave your comments below. What would be behind a black hole and cosmic portal?